Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm reviewing iOS 26 on iPhone 11, a fan favorite device that's still going strong in 2025. Apple's latest update brings new features and enhancements, but how well does it perform on iPhone 11? Is it worth to upgrade? Let's find out. So let's talk about performance. Powered by the Apple A13 Bionic chip, the iPhone 11 handles iOS 26 like a pro. Everything feels smooth and responsive, from navigating UI to the opening apps. Even heavy multitasking doesn't slow the device. The animations introduced in iOS 26 are fluid, literally. I really like the animations in iOS 26, and adding a modern and polished touch to the overall experience. It's impressive how well the iPhone 11 keeps the newer devices. Apple has made some notable visual updates in iOS 26. The Settings app now features the sleek, squeezed button design. Let me show you, and here you can see here. There are fresh wallpapers and clock style to choose from. These changes give the iPhone 11 a contemporary look. On the larger liquid retina display, these design elements really pop, enhancing the user experience. The redesigned control center is here. Just like on other devices, it has its pros and cons. It's visually appealing, but I feel it could be better organized for quick access. The notification panel, while improved in terms of aesthetics, occasionally lags, a surprising quick given the iPhone 11's capable hardware. The iPhone 11 takes advantage of several new iOS 26 features, Apple including intelligence. Adaptive power management is a standout feature, optimizing performance to improve battery life, but this feature is not available on iPhone 11. On my iPhone 11, I notice a definite improvement in battery backup when it's like sitting in standby mode, but when I'm using it, it's heating really bad, and now it does not last for full day with moderate or heavy use. The AI powered image search feature is not available in this iPhone 11, so that Apple Intelligence features are not available for the iPhone 11. Whether it's iOS 18 or iOS 26, and Apple Intelligence was not for iPhone 11. The updated camera UI is significant improvement, making it easier to access in settings and capture photos on the go. FaceTime also gets newer look, and updated card style in phone app are visually appealing. The addition of new games preview app adds utility and fun to the system. There are new apps preview and games app and built game app. However, not all iOS 26 features are available on the iPhone 11. For example, spatial scene, Apple Intelligence, image search, and photos, and some advanced AI compatibilities are missing, like due to hardware limitations. While it's not a deal breaker, it's something to keep in mind. Let's talk about battery life. In iOS 26, battery life really shines on iPhone 11, but while in standby mode. As its developer beta 1, it's going down really bad. Wherever you are streaming videos, browsing the web, and using the apps, you cannot count the iPhone 11 to last through the day. So, should you update the iPhone 11 to iOS 26? Absolutely. The performance enhancements, new animations, and added new features breathe new life into device. While some features are missing, the overall experience makes the update worthwhile. The iPhone 11 remains a solid choice in 2025, and with iOS 26, it's better that ever. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.